This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cynthia Tripp. Available now in Quail Ridge. Beautifully upgraded 3-bedroom 2-bath home with attached garage. Spacious open floor plan, freshly painted and improved with new recessed kitchen lights, bathroom light fixtures, new refrigerator, stainless steel appliances, and new impact sliding glass doors. A centrally located atrium is a private patio space and fills the heart of the home with sunshine. Several skylights and fans throughout the home. Master ensuite and second bedroom are uniquely designed with private sitting areas with French doors, perfect for a home office or study. Floor-to-ceiling door walls fill the bedrooms and office areas with tons of light and garden views. Master has a large walk-in closet and access to the backyard. Prime location close to Wickham Park, shops and dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Cynthia Tripp at 321-308-0361.